Hey guys, welcome to Market Bag. I'm Kelsey and I'm back at the downtown Kingston Coronation Market this week with a budget of $4,000 and we're gonna see what we can get in the market. Let's go shopping. Princess.
Morning.
Can you tell me what are the factors impacting the prices of produce in the market this week?
Actually, the rain will fall 2 weeks ago. Like it mashed up the tomato, the sweet pepper, carrot, everything right now are water soak.
So are prices up or down? Up. And do you expect like prices to continue to increase or does it look like?
Yeah, prices are going to go up till about the next month time. And you know the crop them take like 3 months to come in. So until then, the things are going to remain like expensive.
Well, that's it for this edition of Market Bag. Join us again next week for some more shopping. Until then, I'm Kelsey.